got it here, premium road kit by AAA, 42 piece. So there's not a lot of them, so this is probably the last one I'll ever put to the test. I have put to the test another one recently, so you want to get rid of cardboard right away, that's cool. Flashlight, much needed, but you know what's the problem? Hopefully give you the batteries separately. I know you're not supposed to keep the batteries in the flashlight because they might leak and ruin the flashlight. Number 2, this is nice. Jumper cables. Wow, that's it. Little tape, electric tape. Okay, there you go. I was hoping there is some 3 batteries for the flashlight. Some kind of cloth, I guess, to kind of wash off your hands. This is more like almost paper, almost like a napkin. Okay. What is this? 2 punches? Really? I guess if you have to change it tire in the rain, that's cool. And then 3 towelettes and bunch of band-aids. A screwdriver, having a flathead, and this kind. I forgot what's the name of it. There you go. Kinda don't really sits in there that well, falls out all the time. That's it. It says 42 pieces. I know what they have counted, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really? Did somebody like took half of the stuff or something? 42 pieces. I guess that counts as a piece, a little napkin. It is literally a piece of napkin. Or maybe they count in each band-aid. Yep, 24 pieces. Oh my gosh. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, still 31. Where's my another 14 pieces? Maybe they're talking about this. Okay, there's another piece. Maybe this stuff. The information, whatever. This is so lame. Wow, what a ripoff. Anyways, guys, this is why it's so important whenever you buying stuff on Amazon or online. Reviews are the best thing on Amazon. I like to buy minimum 4 stars. I don't even buy anything below that. 4.5 stars with like 100 plus. If it's 1,000 plus reviews with 4.5 stars, you already know that's the best product. But wow, I can't believe it. I even forgot how many reviews there was, but this is kind of lame. Anyways, guys, it is what it is. I did not get 42 pieces, not nearly, unless they count in every little single paper inside of it. Maybe it's information and actual baggie as well. Yeah, it is what it is. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think?